So right here we have a 24-inch Ransome model 10TT, and this unit has 1,100 pounds capacity, and it has a very nice drive system installed, and it has variable speed here. And it actually has a very fast drive system right now, but it can be slowed down by inverting the pulley system on the machine. And it can also be reversed at the pedals here. So this is quite a nice unit. Has a stand, and it's all together.